Is Faraz, and today I will be doing something interesting, something different from my previous videos. So some of my previous students and SAP colleagues have requested to do some business scenario videos where there are some scenario where they can think how to resolve that business problem and how it can help them understand the project perspective of SAP. Okay, so like for example, if you're implementing any solution in your projects, and if you come across a business challenge, how you would go about it. So in this video, I'm going to give you a business pricing scenario, and I need you to give me the solution you think for this scenario. Okay, and then in my next video, I'll explain what best solution would have been, and see how you think about solving a business scenario. Okay. And before I start, I would really appreciate if you can like and subscribe. And the reason for asking me to like and subscribe is that it will encourage me to create more interesting videos for you and make the channel bigger, because I understand the gaps in the training industry where the training is just focused on the module learning technical elements, but it doesn't give you the perspective of how the project training should happen, or like how you can relate your learning in the project real time experience. Okay, so let's start. So in the screen you can see that there is a scenario where there's a site, just random name BND, has a requirement of a condition type, um, one specific condition type, which should not copy the price from sales order into invoice. So in a normal sales cycle, you have sales, delivery, invoice. Okay, that's the standard sales cycle. So the copy control settings are set in standard in such a way that when you create your sales delivery invoice, the price gets copied from your sales order into the invoice. There's a copy control settings. You can go and check and find out. That will be interesting for you to find out what the copy control settings are. But the requirement in this case from the business is that, and I think you understand how the pricing comes in the sales order. Pricing comes in the sales order from condition record. Okay, so you maintain the condition record entry, an automatic condition type. If it is set to automatic condition type, you create a sales order, the price comes in if the condition records are maintained. So this condition records are, as you practice, you maintain it manually, but in the real time, there are price lists that gets uploaded, and then there are regular prices that gets uploaded into the condition record by the pricing team with different axes, and that gets updated into the condition record, which is then used in the sales order. Now, in this requirement, the business is saying that this condition type ZED1, I want it to come in the sales order, but there is a situation where if the invoice is delayed a little bit, like you create the sales order today and the invoice is created after a month, for after 15 days of the sales order, because the delivery is not confirmed, or there could be many reasons, credit history, whatever. Now what they're saying is, I don't want that this discount condition type should copy from sales order, because the price discount might have changed because of seasonal discount, not offering any further discount to the customer. So when you create the invoice, system should check the value from the condition record straight away rather than copying from sales order. Okay. So now my challenge to you guys, whoever is watching this video, is what would you do in terms of designing this solution? Okay, so there are possible solutions. There is not one solution to it. The challenge on top of this is that the order type is the same OR. Okay, used by US and UK and EU. The same order type is used for all the different company codes, different sites that are spread for this business. This requirement is only for GB. So if you make any changes into the design, like for example, if you tweak the copy control, it will also impact US. And US does not have this requirement of taking from condition record straight away into the invoice. They have fixed discounts, and they always want the sales order to copy into the invoice. If there are any changes, they directly update the sales order. So I want you guys to think how you would do it so that there is no impact on the other sites, the US, EU sites, and GB is also designed. So what are the solutions that you can think of? You can put in your comments, and then I will see whether which one is the most accepted solution, and what are the consequences and impact if your solution is not good. Like if you just straight away do the changes, then obviously any copy control rule uh, that is linked with OR will also impact US and UK. So you have to keep things in mind. So come back with your solution and put those things in the comments, and then I will see which one is the best and give you the solution in my next video. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys, and please do follow this channel. Sorry, it's late night here, and I'll come back with more interesting videos. So wait for my next video in response to this problem. Okay, thanks, guys.